Acharya Shankara said in Upadesa Sahasri, prose 19, te naam rupe अव्याकृते सति व्याक्रियमाणे तस्मात् एतस्मात् आत्मन आकाश नामाकृति समृते. That name and form originally unmanifested took the name and form of the ether as they were manifested from the self. Tad so आकाश आख्यम भूतम अनेन प्रकरेण परमात्मना संभूतम प्रसन्नात् इव सलिलात् मलम इव फेनम. This element called the space thus arose out of the Supreme Self like the dirt called foam coming out of transparent water. No salilam no so salilat anyat bhinnam phenam. Foam is neither water nor absolutely different from it. Salil व्यतिरेकेन आदर्शनाद, for it is never seen apart from water. Salilam tu स्वच्छम anyat फेनात् मलरूपात्, but water is clear and different from the foam which is of the nature of dirt. एवं परमात्मा नाम रूपाभ्याम अन्य फेन स्थानीयाभ्याम शुद्ध प्रसन्न तद विलक्षणा. Similarly, the Supreme Self, which is pure and transparent, is different from name and form, which stands for foam. Them नाम रूपे अव्याकृते सति व्याक्रियमाणे फेन स्थानीय आकाश नामाकृत समृते. These, corresponding to the foam, having originally been unmanifested, took the name and form of the space as they were manifested. ततः अपि स्थूल भावम आपद्यमाने नाम रूपे व्याक्रियमाणे वायु भावम आपद्यते. Name and form, as they become still grosser in the course of manifestation, assume the form of air. Tadapi agni bhavam, from that again they become fire. Agne abhavam, from that water. Ata prithvi bhavam, and thence earth. Iti ev kamen पूर्व अपूर्व अनुप्रवेशेन पंच महाभूतानि पृथ्वी अंतानि उत्पन्नानि तथा पंच महाभूत गुण विशिष्टा पृथ्वी. In this order, the preceding elements penetrated the succeeding ones, and the five gross elements, ending with earth, came into existence. पृथिव्या च पंच आत्मिक्या बृहयव आद्या औषधया जायन्ते. Earth therefore possessed the qualities of all the five gross elements. From earth, compounded of all the five great elements, herbs such as paddy and barley are produced. ताभ्यो भक्षिताभ्यो लोहितम च शुक्रम च स्त्री पुंस शरीर संबंधी जायते. From these, after they were eaten, are formed blood and seed of women and men respectively. तद उभय मृत्युकाले अविद्या प्रयुक्त कामखज निर्मथन उद्धृतम मंत्र संस्कृतम गर्भाशय निशिचिते. These two ingredients, drawn out by a churning rod, by lust springing from ignorance and sanctified by mantras, are placed in the womb at the proper time. Tad so yoni ras anupravisen vivardhamanam garbhibhutam namme dasme va masi sanjayite. Through the infiltration of the sustaining fluid of the mother's body, it develops into an embryo and is delivered at the 9th or 10th month. तज्जातम लब्ध नाम आकृतिकम जात कर्मादि भी मंत्र संस्कृतम पुनः उपनयन संस्कार योगेन ब्रह्मचारी संयम भवति. It is born or is possessed of a form and a name and is purified by means of mantras relating to natal and other ceremonies, sanctified again by the ceremonies of investitude with holy thread. It gets the appellation of a student. तदेव शरीरम पत्नी योग संस्कार योगेन गृहस्थ संगम भवति. The same body is designated a householder when it undergoes the sacrament of being joined to a wife. तदेव वनस्थ संस्कारेण तापस संगम भवति. That again is called a recluse when it undergoes the ceremonies pertaining to retirement into the forest. तदेव क्रिया निवृत्त संस्कारेण परित्राट संगम भवति. And it becomes none as a wandering monk when it performs the ceremonies leading to the renunciation of all activities. Iti ev tato bhinnam, bhinna jati anvay sanskaram sariram. Thus the body, which has birth, lineage and purificatory ceremonies, different from the self, is different from you. Mana cha indriyani cha nam rup atmakani ev annamayam hi somya mana ityadi sutibhya. That the mind and the senses are also of the nature of name and form is none from the Shruti. The mind, my child, consists of food. Chandogya 6:5-4 says, Annamayam hi somya mana apomaya panas tejomayi bhangiti. The mind consists of food, vital force consists of water, and a speech consists of fire.